Hello, my name is Crystal McGowan, and the three assets I will be bringing to class this semester are compassion, patience, and acceptance. So, up until January of this year, I worked in an essential academics classroom with kindergartners and one first grader. And within that setting, you have to be very compassionate and patient. Otherwise, things can go bad pretty quickly. Get very frustrated. um, so those are definitely two assets you have to have working with young kids to begin with, but then the kids that were in that class specifically as well, helping them deal with the issues that they were facing. Acceptance of others. That really goes back to my undergrad degree. I have a degree in anthropology with a minor in religious studies. So I love learning about different cultures and religions, and I find it fascinating. And it's made me very accepting of others and wanting to just learn more about their cultures. So yeah, those are the three assets I will be bringing. Thanks.